from mean position to extreme position. This is the maximum displacement. This is the amplitude. This amplitude of every vibrating particle is different. Time period for every vibrating particle is different. It is different. Okay. I think if you could remember, these terms were discussed in last year also. These terms. Now here we are going to introduce one more term. One more term, that is the frequency. It is a new term coming to you. Frequency. Already you know the grammatical meaning. Frequency. How frequently you are communicating with others. How frequently you are studying the science, physics subject. How frequently you are visiting from your home to market. That frequency. And this frequency, it is also given a symbol. When you go to the high class in the next year onwards, the other kind of Greek symbol is used. Here we are going to use the same, that is F, the first letter of frequency. Now what actually the frequency is? In this, the bob is oscillating. The simple pendulum, the bob is oscillating. Here for the simple pendulum, we can say the example of pendulum clock. In most of your home, you may have the pendulum clocks. In that the pendulum is moving to and fro. That is the simple pendulum. In that oscillation, we are able to clearly see its oscillation. But in many of the cases, in many of the vibrations, we are not able to observe whether it is vibrating or not. For example, simply taking the surface of table. On the surface of table, if you strike with any rod or your hand, the sound is produced. That sound is produced due to vibration of surface of the table. But for us it is not visible. We are not able to see. So obviously we are saying that the table is not vibrating, but on touching the surface of table, you can feel it. So that means the table is vibrating. So why we people are not able to see its vibration? Because in that case of the vibration oscillation of the surface of table, the number of oscillations is very large in 1 second. 1 second we are taking because 1 second is smaller time. In 1 second, the number of oscillations made on that surface of table is very large. That's why we are not able to see. Even if I strike this surface of board with the pen, what is produced? Sound is produced. It is because the surface of table vibrates. But I don't see the vibration of this table. It is because the number of oscillation is very large. Here this vibration, on striking this, the vibration may be 100 vibration in 1 second, 100 oscillation in 1 second. Like this, there are other kind of objects which completes 200 oscillations in 1 second, 300 oscillations in 1 second. Any number of oscillations made in 1 second. That number of oscillations, number of vibrations completed in a given time. Or we can say the number of oscillations completed in 1 second. Number of oscillations completed in 1 second is called frequency. So frequency is the number of oscillations completed in 1 second. if the surface of table completes 100 oscillation in 1 second, so its frequency is 100 oscillation per second. Frequency is 100 oscillation per second. And we are talking, human beings are talking, the vocal cord is vibrating. In this vibration, also there is some frequency. Its frequency may be, if it completes 50 oscillations in 1 second, so its frequency is 50 oscillations per second. So whatever be the number of oscillations completed in 1 second, that is its frequency. And this frequency is a physical quantity. It can also be measured. While anything is measured, it must be expressed in unit. So the frequency is also having SI unit. SI unit of frequency is hertz. It is hertz. Capital H, small z. Hertz. That is the SI unit of frequency. And this is the SI unit of frequency, that is hertz. Now what is 1 hertz? When do we say the frequency of a body, frequency of an object is 1 hertz? When do we say? That has to be measured. For this, we can find a relation. We can find a formula for the frequency. Here you see, suppose, because in this case, one thing, we are saying the surface of table is oscillating 100 times in 1 second. But in that very short time, 1 second, it is not able to count 100 oscillations. That's why what we are doing, we are counting the number of oscillations for longer time. Suppose that the surface of table is completing 800 oscillations in 10 seconds. Because 10 seconds, it is somewhat greater time. 1 second, it is shorter time, so it is not possible to count that much of oscillations. But in 10 seconds, the number of oscillations can be counted. Or for 1 minute, count the number of oscillations. Or for 5 minutes, count the number of oscillations. Here we are taking the example that it completes 800 oscillations in 10 seconds. So this is the number of oscillation and this is the total time taken. So here the frequency can also be measured like this. Frequency is equal to number of oscillations upon total time. This is also the formula, because for 1 second if it is not given, then you may feel somewhat confusion. That's why the total time, for in how much time it completes this much of oscillations. So the number of oscillations completed in total time. From this we can convert that number of oscillation for 1 second. Now coming to this one. Here, if we assume that particle complete 1 oscillation, this is the number of oscillation. If the number of oscillation is 1, that is 1. For 1 oscillation, the time taken by the body is, it is time period. Because I said, what is time period? It is the time taken to complete 1 oscillation. Here we are counting one oscillation. For one oscillation, the time taken is time period, that is capital T. So the frequency is equal to number of oscillation 1 and the time period is T. This is also the formula. This is also the formula for the frequency. Both the formula can be used. If the number of oscillation in total time, then use this formula. If it is if only the time period is given, then frequency can be calculated from this formula. So F equal to 1 upon time period, F equal to number of oscillations upon total time. This time period and total time both are different. Time period, it is a fixed one, but the total time, that is depending on our choice. It may be 10 seconds, it may be 1 minute, it may be 2 minutes, but this frequency is fixed for that given object. From this relation, we can define what is 1 Hertz. Now 1 Hertz equal to, in the place of frequency we are putting 1 Hertz. This is equal to 1 upon 1 second. Means the frequency of a body is said to be 1 Hertz if it complete one oscillation in 1 second. If a body completes one oscillation in 1 second, then its frequency is 1 Hertz. This is one of the very important terms that we discussed in the sound chapter, that is frequency. Next, we'll see in the next videos.